If your FPS is dropping, games are stuttering, or your GPU usage feels inconsistent, the problem might not be your settings. It might be your drivers. And most people completely ignore this. Outdated or broken drivers can literally limit your GPU performance, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix all of that using a tool called Driver Booster. First, let's understand the problem. A lot of people think updating GPU drivers means everything is fine, but that's not true. Your system has multiple drivers, chipset, network, system devices, and if even one of them is outdated or broken, it can bottleneck your GPU. And you can actually see that right here. Now open Driver Booster, and here you will find simple and clean interface of this tool. You have to click in Scan button to start scanning the outdated drivers on your system and go into the Update section. You'll immediately see something like this. Multiple outdated drivers, including system devices and network adapters. In this example, there are over 10 outdated drivers and even missing game drivers. Click on Update Now. What this does is update all the important drivers in one go, not just your GPU. Think of your PC like a team. Your GPU is just one player, but if the rest of the team is slow or outdated, your performance will still suffer. Updating everything makes the whole system work together properly, which improves FPS stability. Now let's go into something really important. Cleaning junk and broken files. Go into the Boost section and click on System Optimize. You'll see it scans things like junk files, registry issues, and system optimizations. In this example, there's over 50 gigabytes of junk files. Click Clean. This removes unnecessary files and broken registry entries that can slow down your system. It's like cleaning up your storage and removing clutter so your system can breathe properly. Less junk means faster loading, smoother gameplay, and fewer random stutters. Next, let's talk about Game Boost. Inside Driver Booster, go to Boost and turn on Game Boost. What this does is stop unnecessary background apps and services while you're gaming. It's like closing everything running in the background, so your PC focuses only on your game. This directly improves CPU and RAM usage, which helps your GPU perform better. Now go into Tools. Here you'll find useful fixes like fixing device errors, network issues, and even cleaning invalid device data. These might not look important, but they actually fix hidden system problems. For example, a broken network driver can cause packet loss or high ping, and a device error can create instability in your system. Fixing these ensures your system runs clean and stable, which directly affects gaming performance. And this is where it connects back to NVIDIA optimization. Even if you have the best NVIDIA settings, if your system drivers are outdated, your GPU will never perform at its full potential. It's like having a powerful engine but bad supporting parts. You'll never get full performance. So overall, Driver Booster helps you update all drivers easily, fix hidden system issues, clean junk and optimize system, and boost gaming performance automatically. Now guys, if you want to try it yourself, you can download Driver Booster from the link in the description. And here's the interesting part. Drop a comment down below after trying it, and a few of you will be randomly selected to get a 1-year activation code. And yeah, this is one of those things most people ignore, but once you fix it, your system just feels smoother instantly. Now, if you still have low GPU usage or FPS issues after this, then your problem is deeper. And that's exactly what I cover in my next video. If this helped you, drop a like. And subscribe for more optimization guides like this.